my name is Marcina Dolan, and I am a service learner from California State University, Monterey Bay, volunteering here at the Monterey County Free Libraries. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about physical activity and its importance, and I will also be showing you a workout to help develop skills in order to become more physically active. So, you may be wondering what physical activity is. Well, physical activity can be defined as any voluntary bodily movement produced by skeletal muscles that requires energy expenditure. The best part about physical activity is that you can perform it at any part of the day. The four types of physical activity includes muscular endurance, hypertrophy, strength, and power. Each activity has different benefits. Doing one of the same kind can help improve and increase your ability to do better in other activities. Performing certain types of exercises also decreases the risk of injuries as you begin to familiarize yourself with how each exercise works. So, what makes physical activity important? Getting regular exercise and physical activity promotes stronger muscles and bones. It improves respiratory, cardiovascular, and overall health. Staying active can help reduce risks of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and in some cases cancer. It can also help in maintaining a healthy weight. So now that we know why physical activity is important, we can move into our workout session. Feel free to change into anything comfortable and let's get started. So before we begin this workout, I would just like you to know that we're going to do each exercise 20 times, and in between each exercise you take about 30 seconds of rest. This is important because your muscles need that recovery time in order to perform better. So I just wanted to let you guys know that after you completed each exercise, make sure to take your rest, okay? We're first going to start with our head, and what you would do is you would slowly begin to roll your head in a clockwise direction. Do this for about 4 to 5 times and stop. And when you're ready, slowly take it back in the anti-clock direction. Make sure your shoulders are loose while you're doing this, because you don't want to be stiff. Okay? You can even move it up and down. And once you're done, you can stretch. But to do this, you first need to roll your shoulders. So let's roll our shoulders together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you feel it? When you roll your shoulders, your chest expands. That's a good sign. Alright, when you're ready, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our next exercise is going to be the hip circles. They're very simple and effective, and we're going to do this about 20 times. So when you're ready, place your hands on your hips, stand tall, and once you're ready, bend your knees a little, just a teensy bit. You don't want to go completely down, and start to roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Now we're going to go the other way. So again, regain your posture. Make sure you bend your knees a bit and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Stand up straight. You can go on your tippy toes as well, as long as you're enjoying it. Yep. Our next exercise is going to be the high knees exercise. This exercise uses your leg muscles, so it mainly targets muscle groups such as your quads, your glutes, your hamstrings, and your calves. And remember, your torso muscles are going to be acting as the stabilization muscles. So it's to keep you in balance while we're performing this exercise. So when you're ready, take your position. Your hands can be loose for this one. You don't need to be stiff for this one. And we're going to do this 20 times, okay? So remember, when you lift this leg up, this hand goes up. It's basically the opposite arm that raises for each leg. So yeah, let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Our next exercise is called the windmill. And for this exercise, your position is going to be like this. So you take your left leg and place it at 90 degrees. You take your right leg, place it at 45 degrees. Prop your hip to the side of which your bent knee is and raise this arm up towards the ceiling. And when you're ready, use this hand, bend this knee, keep this knee straight, and when you bend, make sure you turn your head towards the ceiling. Okay, so we're going to do this now together. First, put your 90-degree leg, 45-degree stance, prop hip to the side, raise arm to the ceiling. This hand is to be lowered now, and while you lower, make sure to look towards the ceiling. Ready? Well done. So we're going to do this the other way. Same thing, 90 degree, 45 degree, bend this knee, prop the hip to the side, raise your arm up to the ceiling, and when you're ready to go down, awesome. This is an angle I want to show you just so you know you're following along. 90-degree stance, 45-degree stance, bend your 90-degree stance, prop your hip to the side, raise an arm up. When you're ready to go down, hold on, touch, and when you're ready, come back up. Same way, opposite leg, 90-degree stance, 45 degree, bend this knee, prop hip to the side, raise arm up, turn your head towards the ceiling, and when you're ready to bend, touch your feet, come up. Awesome. For our next exercise, we're going to be performing the Superman. So for this, it requires you to get on your belly. Make sure you're nice and comfortable on your yoga mat. And you're going to be reaching out on both with your legs and your hands. Make sure your hands are extended before you. Straight again. And make sure your legs raise up when you reach. So when you're ready, reach. You don't have to push yourself. Go as far as you can. And when you're ready, Let's do this again. One, two, three. And drop. One more time. One, two, three. Reach. And drop. Awesome. I'm going to show it to you like this. So reach your arms out, legs out. And when you're ready, stretch. Yes. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds and then drop. All right. One more time. One, two, three. Stretch. Good job. One more time. One, two, three. Stretch. Good job. When you're working with exercises, always remember you have to dedicate each workout session to each major muscle group. You can do a combination of your upper body and lower body exercise movements, but if you are someone who is looking forward to just being fit and active, you can always focus on your upper body at one session and focus on your lower body in the next. And that's how you can always interchange between these exercises. In my workout, I've mainly focused on lower body exercises. So I really hope you enjoyed this workout session with me. Make sure to stay active, stay healthy, stay fit, enjoy, and take care. Bye bye.